Hey guys! Today we're going to a toy. Actually, I'm so excited. So that you understand, the toy is a Kazakh wedding and it's usually celebrated really magnificently. A restaurant is booked, around 500 people are invited, and so on. This time we'll go to the toy of my relative from another city. So we'll go there by train. So right now I need to pack my bag. So let's start. The first thing first, I need to take my makeup bag. So look at this cutie bag. Oh my god, it's so fluffy actually. I packed everything I need into it, including makeup and not only. And also I'll take with me these heels that I ordered especially for this wedding. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I just fell in love with them. By the way, it's 12 centimeters because I'm not so tall that I want to be. The next thing I will take with me will be these pants. These pants with these cutie blues that I'll wear to the wedding. And I'll take all my chargers. Right now I'll use them so I can show you. And after that I'll take with me my headphones. This one and that one. So I think it's all that I need right now. Let's go to the train.
Thank